Hey everyone, I'm Zach with Master Plan Homes here inside our showroom and design center. Join us as we shed light on some of our favorite items used in the building process in this video series, The Product Spotlight. Designing and constructing a custom home is unique to the unlimited and endless selections available. Not all products are created equal, and we hope to use this video series as a tool to highlight some of the products we use and their benefit to a one-of-a-kind home. Throughout the building process, price is not always going to be the determining factor when making selections. So we hope to use this video series as an educational tool for you and your family to make the best decisions on your home, what products to use, when to use them, and why. If you enjoy this video series, please remember to sign up for notifications and visit us at masterplanhomes.com.